Good morning, students. Students, today I am going to discuss with you the resource planning. All right, students, our country is a vast country and we have plenty of resources, but all these resources they are unevenly distributed. Okay, and for the development of the nation, we have to plan our resources. All right, and let us see that what is resource planning here. Resource planning is a technique or skill of proper utilization of resources, and as the resources are limited and unevenly distributed over the country, their planning is essential. Okay, and for that reason we used to divide resource planning in 3 stages. All right, students. What is this 3 stage? First of all, preparation of inventory of resources. That means in the first stage, okay, we have to identify the resources, the quality of the resources, the characteristics of the resources. Our geologists, they used to survey and do the mapping work. All right. And what is the second stage? Second stage is evaluation in terms of availability for development. That means the second stage examines resources from the points of view of technology, economic and need. That means resources are the resources only when they have the economic feasibility. Okay. In the second stage, they used to see the quantity as well as the quality of the resources. Okay, if we find any resource and its quality is not good, okay, we can't able to use it, then it is the meaningless. All right, if our geologists find resources which is in a low quality, all right, and if we sell it in the market, we are not going to get any profit, then this resource is not also useful. Okay, I want to give you an example here. Suppose in the petroleum deposits, we have a petroleum of rupees 5 crore. All right, but if we do the extraction, okay, then its cost is rupees 20 crore. Then in that case, our geologists, they never extract such type of resources because that resource don't have any economic feasibility, and after that they use such technology which is much more economic, much more cheap, okay, not expensive. All right, students. And third one is planning for exploitation of resources. That means we have to use our resources in such a way that it will be useful in case of national development. The third stage is related to action oriented planning, which emphasized use and reuse of the resources. That means we have to use the resources in such a way that all the people of the country will be benefit from it. Okay, students. Students, our next topic is conservation of resources, and here our father of the nation Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, what he said, that there is enough for everyone's need and not for anybody's greed. Student, just see here that in this world we have plenty of resources, and that resource can able to fulfill the demand and the needs of the people. But yes, world can't able to fulfill anybody's greed. Okay, so let us see here what are the conservation of resources. What are the small things we can able to do so that we can conserve our resources. following of 3 R's: reduce, reuse, and recycle. Carpool to work. Think before you print. Unplug chargers and appliances when not in use. Replace your light bulbs with LEDs. Use of alternative sources of power such as solar and wind energy. Plant trees to prevent soil erosion. Practicing of judicious ways to conserve water in our homes, as well as rainwater harvesting. Okay, we all know that small drops of water makes ocean. If we follow these small things, we can able to conserve our resources. Students, thank you.